Hey, thanks for being here today. So today, this awesome day, I mean, look at that. Sky is blue. It's fantastic out here. So I'm just going for a walk to get out of the house and get some nice fresh air on this hot day. We're gonna have a look at music learning softwares or applications, and hopefully you'll be able to decide if they're right for you. There's so many different applications out there that can help you do these things that it's really hard to choose from. So I often find that when I've got a recommendation, that kind of helps me determine whether or not I'm going to go through with that. So hopefully this video helps you. If it does, click the like button to tell YouTube that I'm putting stuff out that you like. And if you could also subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified of future videos that we have coming out regarding mobile recording or home studio recording. And also today, just helping us keep our chops up, I guess you could say. Hey, thanks for being here. So like I mentioned, wanted to discuss a couple of different things that can help you stay in practice, help you keep exercised, I guess, as it were, especially with like guitar players. You know, and I know for sure, I've put the guitar down a few times in the past, and when I come back to pick it up and try and play it, my fingertips are not very happy about it. You lose those calluses that you built up, and it really sucks trying to get those back. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I have experience with that's helped me continue practicing and continue picking up your instrument and just making sure that you're getting the exercise on it and keep the time going on it. Maybe you're not writing songs, maybe you're not performing right now, but you know what? Eventually you're going to start booking shows again, or you're going to start playing at those campfire songs again, and you're going to want to be in shape for that and ready for it when it happens. So this is a good way, even if you've got a small amount of time. I found this has helped me to keep picking up the guitar. So I thought I would share that with you, and hopefully this can help you in any way. So what I wanted to look at was something that you've probably heard of. It's called Fender Play. And Fender Play has a lot of pros and hardly any cons, to be honest with you. Now, what Fender did a few months ago with COVID-19, when it started and everything started locking down, is they started to give away like 2 months free for everybody, which was really cool. You didn't have to pay for it. I think when you first started, you got 30 days free trial type of thing, but they extended that. And recently, what's been happening is for anyone that took them up on that, the account maybe stopped or your demo expired, and they sent you an email saying, hey, you know what? If you want to sign up again and keep your subscription going, we'll give you 75% off. So 75% off for an annual subscription for Fender Play is an awesome deal. And I'll explain why, and I'll give you the pros from my point of view of why it's a great deal. And then you can tell me if you think that it's worth it in the comments below, if you've tried it before yourself. And if not, give it a try. Why not? I'll put the links in the description below too. So I took them up on it, 75% off for a year. It was like $22 Canadian. So, and I live in Canada, obviously, duh. So $22 Canadian is less than $2 a month. I mean, that's nothing. And I'm going to get into the pros of it here. What I found that I like the most about Fender Play is, first off, you can get it on any browser. Okay, so if you're on a PC or a Mac, doesn't matter. You can use it. You just hit it through the web page. And also, they've got iOS and Android apps too, which is awesome. So if you're on the go or you're camping or something and you want to spend 15 minutes practicing because you're away from home, you can easily do that with the app. The other cool thing is just the layout. The GUI that they've got here is very very well laid out, nicely spaced out, and they've got all kinds of different areas for you to stay exercised. Even if you're a beginner picking up the guitar for the first time, or you're a seasoned player and you just want to get some exercise in, Fender Play's kind of got you covered there. So when you first start up, you pick whether or not you are playing guitar, bass, or ukulele. So you pick your instrument, and then you go in and tell it which genre of music you want to practice, and then what level of player you think you are, beginner or expert, or somewhere in between. The pros about it is that they go over everything, like from level 1, the parts of the guitar, so that you understand what part is what, how to hold a pick, how to move your fingers across the fretboard, all kinds of different exercises as well, strumming chords. They've got all kinds of different things in here too in the articles. Again, like I said, if you want to get surviving guitar fingers and managing finger pain, yeah, that's maybe a good one that we all go through once in a while if we haven't played. The thing that I really liked about Fender Play, the videos are pretty short, 2, 3, maybe 4 minutes long. So if you only have 15, 20 minutes tops just to pick up your guitar once every couple of days, they got you covered. And because the videos are short, it kind of makes you feel like you're moving along through the lessons and everything. And I really like that. And the other thing is, they've got this little hot streak thing here up in the corner. So you just go in here for, I don't know what it is, like maybe 7, 8, 10 minutes, and it gives you a little pick there, and you get 3, and you get a little flame symbol. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it gets you anything, but it's something to show that you've been practicing, which is kind of cool. The other thing that I really like too is that they've got the skills area. What you can do there is just work on different things. What do you want to work on? Your positioning, your strumming, alternate strumming, things like that. So anyway, I just wanted to share Fender Play. I think it's fantastic. And I think that even if you didn't have an account before and you're signing up for the first time, I think it's 50% off for signing up for the annual subscription. So 50%, I mean, 75 got me $22, right? So $45 would basically get you a year subscription, which again is still less than $4 a month. It's worth it just to get your fingers on the guitar strings and keep those calluses. It's definitely worth the money that you're going to spend on it. So I highly recommend Fender Play. I thought it was really well done. The UI is really nice. Again, another pro, you don't have to have a Fender guitar or any Fender equipment to use this app. So you don't need any of that stuff. You can use whatever guitar you have, whatever amp you have, doesn't matter. They just want people to pick up a guitar and start playing, which is pretty cool. So I wanted to share that, and hopefully this helps you in any way. If you've got guitar lesson apps that you find have helped you, maybe share that with everyone in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here and you're willing to give it a shot, I'll put the link in the description too. And please tell YouTube that you liked the video by hitting the like button. And of course, if you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified of more videos like this, or for mobile recording, home studio recording. Thanks for being here, and keep making music.